Good morning, everyone. A very warm welcome to our Git and GitHub workshop organized as a part of CryptX 2.0 hackathon. Today's session is going to be a very practical and a valuable one, especially for anyone interested in software development, collaboration, and real-world coding workflows. Git and GitHub are essential tools in the tech industry today, not just for the developers, but also for anyone working in teams, managing projects, or building something meaningful together. So, this session is a great opportunity to get familiar with these tools and understand how they are actually used in real world scenarios. I'm Amaditi Rimana, and I will be your moderator for today's session. Now, moving on to the most important part of today's session, our speaker. We are pleased to have with us Mr. Nisal Gunawardhana, a young and dynamic software engineer and an active tech community leader in Sri Lanka. He is currently working as a full stack software engineer at Oli AI, contributing to web application development and AI driven solutions. He is also pursuing his BSc in software engineering at SLIT. Mr. Nisal has been actively involved in tech community, currently serving as a Gold Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador and a GitHub expert. He is also a part of Microsoft for Startups as a scout, supporting startups with resources and mentorship. In addition to his technical work, he is a passionate tech speaker, conducting sessions on topics such as Git and GitHub, open source, and AI related technologies, helping students to gain practical knowledge. He is also a founder of uphisto.lk and has contributed to building student communities. With his experience and community involvement, he brings valuable real world insights into today's topic. Without taking much of your time, I would now like to invite Mr. Nisal Gunawardhana to take the session forward. Mr. Nisal Gunawardhana, over to you.
Yeah, so give me a second. Right. Right. So I think I'm clearly audible and again visible as well, right?
Yes.
Here. So let me share my screen. Right. So good morning, everyone. So today we are going to talking about Git and the GitHub. Right. So before we do today's session, uh, I want to know where you are connecting. So I think chat is available for everyone. Guys, you can type just I'm from actually I'm from Paduela. So just I'm adding a message in this Zoom. I think that is available, right? So guys, you can add the message in the Zoom. Just I'm connecting from where. So I need to know where are you from, right? So just you can type. Yeah, let me see, right? So I'm just adding. Uh, I'm from Carduela, so I'm just adding Carduela. So I need to know where I'm from. Guys, I need quick reply. Just type in Yeah, Ritma from Kaluzara. So what about others? Timansana from Gaul. So guys, what about others? Just quickly typing. Right, another guy from Kaluzara, Moratua. So what about others? Ganemulla, Panadura, right? Kagala, right? Kalania, Moratua, Kalambo, Malabe. Uh-huh. So yeah. Right. So I can see so many students from different areas. So thank you guys for joining today's session. So let's start. So I think my screen is visible, right? Is it? Anyone can confirm by React?
Yes, we can see the screen.
All right. So yeah. Okay. So guys, again, today we are going to talking about the GitHub beginners things. So before moving to today's session, let me share about myself. So I'm Nisal Gunawardhana. I'm a Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador, and again, Postman Student Leader and GitHub Campus Experts. And yeah, I work within so many student communities. And again, I'm a software engineer at PolyAI. So that is brief introduction about me. So yeah, so I add this screen uh, for you guys. So the thing is, I need to share this story. So in the past few 2 years, as the students like you guys, I'm engaged within the few software companies as the students within their students programs, right? So in my journey, I try to do a lot of things. I uh, organizing session. So if you are engaged within the technical sessions, maybe you know about the API and GenAI tour. It's happened in the last year, February. And again, I organized so many interactive and again so many valuable sessions within students around in the Sri Lanka. So why I need to add this session as this screen. So as the students, guys, you can do these things. You can join to this kind of students programs. You can to try this kind of programs, and you can skill up your skills, right? So that's why I add this screen. So guys, you can try out these programs. So just search how to become a Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador, or you can just search how to become a GitHub Campus Experts. So you can find so many resources in the internet. I mean, in the YouTube and everywhere, or you can just search in the chat GTP or some chat tool as well. So you can find the how to become how to become a this kind of program member, and you can just apply this program and you can uh, try to level up, right? So yeah, right. So before moving to today's sessions, guys, I need to announce this. Guys, you can grab the amazing swags, right? So right. So okay, uh, guys, the thing is, we have so many swags. Guys, you can try out with win the swags complete by today's session's demo, right? And again, you have another social media challenge. I have a cute GitHub swags and GitHub stickers. Guys, you can grab these things as well. Participate in the social media challenge, right? So guys, I think this link is already shared in your uh, chat. uh, yeah, this is the link. you can use this link and move to the documents, right? So once you move to this document, yeah, right. Right. So once you move this document, guys, you can see, yeah, you can see about the details about this wax challenge, right? So, guys, what you have to do? So you have to write a small post about today's sessions. In this session time, guys, you can capture some screenshots. ඔයාලට පුළුවන් screenshots ගන්න මේ session series එකේ යන අතරතුරේදී අද ඔයාලා කරන වැඩවල ඒ වගේම demo time එකේදී ඔයාලට මේකේ screenshots ගන්න පුළුවන්. And then you can make a post in the LinkedIn. So within your feedback. So here you can see some sample posts. And what you have to do when you are making the post, you have to tag myself and again GitHub education, and also you can tag the US society. I mean your university club as well, right? So yeah, you can take few screenshots in the sessions, and you can make the LinkedIn or a Twitter post, and then what you have to do? You have to tag myself and again GitHub educations and also your university organization as well, right? So again, once I scroll this document here, you can see today's session resources, guys. So as the students, guys, you can grab these opportunities. Here you can see GitHub Students Developer Pack. It's totally free for students. As the university students, guys, you can grab this opportunity using this link. So I think if you have any kind of students ID, you can through your students and then you can grab it. Again, this is the today demo link. So in the upcoming slide, we discuss about these things. And yeah, here you can see so many resources. And in this place, you can see my premium courses. If you are interested about full stack development, you can join this course as well, right? So again, Mama, moving on my presentation එකට. Guys, in this session time, you can try out this challenge as well, right? So yeah, today we are going to talking about Git and the GitHub, right? So maybe you heard about these things. My first question is why we need to Git and the GitHub. Hey, about GitHub only, right? So GitHub and the Git we are using for a version controlling. So just I'm asking why we need to Git and the GitHub, and I'm already giving the answer. We need to Git and the GitHub for a version controlling. So just I know, just you have a question. Just you have a question about what is version controlling? Yeah. So guys, version controlling is some kind of like this, right? So in your university or in your school, you have to create some kind of document for assessment or for your exam things, right? So හිතන්න ඔයාට තියෙනවා මොකක් හරි Word document එකක් create කරන්න අගේ university එකේ හරි school එකේ හරි. So හරි අපි තුන් මෙහෙම scenario එකක් අපි ගමු. අපේ group එකක් ඉන්නවා. group එක අපේ තුන් දෙනෙක් විතර ඉන්නවා. තුනක් හෝ හතරක් කියලා අපි හිතමු. හරි හතර දෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා. right. මම මෙතන නම් හතරක් ගන්න. මන්දි ඉන්නවා. ඊට පස්සේ කවුද මලින් ඉන්නවා. පවිරු ඉන්නවා. ඊට පස්සේ අයින්සා ඉන්නවා. මේ හතර දෙනා ඉන්නවා, right? So then they need to create a document, right? So then they write a documents, and I'm thinking, so yeah, let's see. We think Aman is the team lead, group lead. So they created documents, and then they save document as the final PDF, right? The final PDF. But suddenly, Aman is see another error in the document. So so I think එයා දකිනවා මොකක් හරි වැරද්දක් තියෙනවා මේ document එකේ. Then what happened? Then Aman die වැරද්ද solve කරලා මේ PDF එක ආපහු save කරනවා new final one. So ඔය වගේ සාමාන්‍යයෙන් අපි යුනිවර්සිටි ප්‍රොජෙක්ට් කරන්න ගියාට පස්සේ අපි මේ විදිහට ෆයිල්ස් 10 12 පාරක් එඩිට් කරනවා, and we saved a new final, so like this. So that's it, that's the version controlling. So we maintain separate version of the same file. So that's the version controlling. So now you have a good idea about what is version controlling. Version controlling means we manage versions of the file, stage version of the file within the time, right? So that's the brief introduction about the version controlling, right? So when we talk about the version controlling, guys, we can see two types of version controlling, right? Version controlling has a nice history, right? So let me share a quick story, right? So මේ version controlling කියන එක introduce වෙන්නේ මගේ මතකයේ හැටියට 1900 ගණන් වලදී වගේ, right? But මේ version controlling කියන concept එක ලෝකෙට එන්නේ 1700 ගණන් වලදී වගේ. Anyway, මේ විදිහට මුලින්ම build වෙන version controlling system එක වෙන්නේ centralized version controlling system එකක්. මේ විදිහට build වෙන centralized version controlling system එකදී ගුණය මොකක්ද කියලා අපි බලමු. So we have a main repository, server repository, and again we have a system. So system like our personal computers or our personal laptops, right? So in case what happened, we update our main repository via our hosted repository, right? So we update and we get committed and we get push within all things we are doing within our hosted main repository. But when it comes to the distributed system, guys, what happened? අපි distributed system වලට එනකොට මොකක්ද වෙලා තියෙන්නේ? Distributed system වලට එනකොට අපි ගාව තියෙනවා main hosted repository එකක් වගේම ඒ හැම system එකක්ම ඒක use කරන්න කලින් ඒ හැම system එකක් ගාවම ඒ main repository එකේ copy එකක් තියෙනවා, right? ඒ main repository එකේ copy එකක් තියෙනවා. So ඒ වගේ version control system එකට අපි කියනවා distributed system එකක් කියලා, right? So I think now you have a good idea about centralized and again distributed version control system, right? So yeah. So actually Git and the GitHub is a distributed version controlling system, right? So when we talk about the Git and the GitHub, we can see main two type of server repositories. First one is local. Local is a copy of main repository, and again we have a remote repository. The remote repository is the hosted repository. So සරලවම කියනවා නම් අපි server repository එකක් ගැන කතා කරනකොට server repository වර්ග දෙකක් අපිට තියෙනවා. First one එක local, second one එක remote. හරි. මෙතනදී Git කියන්නේ version controlling system එක, GitHub කියන්නේ මේ version controlling system එකේම hosted version එක. ඒක host වෙලා තියෙන cloud එක. එතකොට Git එකේ තියෙන repository එකට, ඒ කියන්නේ අපි Git එකේ තියෙන හැම project file එකකටම repository එකක් කියලා කියනවා. ඒ repository එක අපි කියනවා remote repository එකක් කියලා. ඒ වගේම අපි මේ repositories එක වැඩ කරන්න කලින් එහෙම නැත්නම් අපි Git එකේ තියෙන files එක අපි වැඩ කරන්න කලින් අපි අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම ඒ files වල copy එකක් ගන්නවා. ඒ copy එකට අපි කියනවා local repository එකක් කියලා. හරි. මම හිතනවා brief idea එකක් එන්න ඇති. මොකද්ද මේ remote repository කියන්නේ? And again, what is the local repository කියන්නේ? Right? So just අපි already discussed kara why we need to Git and the GitHub. So I need to answer. So guys, why we need to Git and the GitHub? So I'm looking into chat. So I need to know. Yes. Open chat. Yeah. I think here I can open chat. So guys, I need to answer. So why we need to Git and the GitHub? I'm waiting for your answer. Guys, anyone? Why we need to Git and the GitHub? Like actions. Ayo. For the version controlling, yeah. And takes every recording to control different version of the code. Yeah. Right. So that's the answer. So why we need to Git and the GitHub? For a track or a control several version of our files. Actually, our code files, right? So yeah. So when we talk about the file changes, I mean file states, Git has the 3 states, right? Right. First one is the modified file, and second one is the staging files, and third one is the committed files. So in the demo time, we discussed what is the modified file. In the demo time, we discussed what is the modified file and what is the staging, and again, what is the committed as well, right? So, right. Guys, we know we have to 3 types of files version, right? So, I already told that we have to 3 types of files version, right? First one is modified. So guys, what is the modified? So assume we have a file, we add some change for that particular file. අපි මොකක් හරි change එකක් ඒ file එකට add කරනවා. Then ඒ file එක අපි save කරනවා. ඒ save කරාට පස්සේ ඒක modified file එකක්. Right? ඊට පස්සේ මේ modified file එක අපි staging කරන්න ඕනේ commit කරන්න කලින්. හරි. මම මේක මේ විදිහට explain කරන්නම්. අපි දන්නවා අපි කලින් කතා කරා අපිට තියෙනවා local repository එකක් ඒ වගේම remote repository එකක්. හරි. එතකොට අපි මේ local repository සහ remote repository එක වැඩ කරන්න යනකොට අපි වැඩ කරන flow එකක් තියෙනවා. හරි. හිතමු අපි මොකක් හරි code file එකක් ගන්නවා. then අපි code file එකේ මොන හරි changes ටිකක් කරනවා. හරි. අපි අලුතෙන් function එකක් add කරනවා. හරි. මේ විදිහට function එකක් add කරාට පස්සේ then ඒක modified file එකක්. එතකොට මේ modified file එක අපි මුලින්ම local repository එකට දාන්න කලින් staging කරගන්න ඕනේ, right? So staging කරගන්න අපි use කරනවා git add කියන command එක. git add space dot කියන command එක. එතකොට අපිට මේක staging කරගන්න පුළුවන්. ඊට පස්සේ මේ විදිහට staging කරපු file එකක් අපි committed කරනවා. committed කරනවා means අපි අපේ repository එකට එහෙම නැත්නම් අපේ local repository එකට මේ change එක apply කරගන්නවා. right? ඒකට අපි use කරනවා git commit command එක. then අපේ file එක දැන් තියෙන්නේ committed stage එකේ. so අපිට ඕනේ මේ local repository එකේ තියෙන changes ටික අපේ remote repository එකට එහෙම නැත්නම් GitHub එකට add කරගන්න. So for that we are using git push command, right? So yeah, again then අපි දන්නවා කොහොමද අපි අපේ local එකේ කරන change එක අපේ remote repository එකට දාගන්නේ කියලා. So now we have another question. Reward repository එකේ තියෙන change එක කොහොමද අපි local එකට ගන්නෙ? So for that we are using git pull and git fetch command. So both are working as the same, but it has special things. When we use git pull, it's download and default merge. But if you are using git fetch, it's download only it's only download remote changes, right? So that's the difference of the git pull and the git fetch, right? So again, අපිට git එක වැඩ කරනකොට තවත් ඕනෙ concept එකක් තමයි branching කියලා කියන්නේ. So branching අපිට support කරනවා individually work කරන්න. ඒ කියන්නේ මම කලින් කිව්වා වගේ අපි group project එකක් කරනවා නම් මම කලින් example එකකට ගත්තේ කවුද අපේ මන්දි ඒ වගේම මලින් ඔය වගේ group එකක් example එකකට ගත්තානේ මේ විදිහට 4 දෙනෙක් විතර වැඩ කරනවා නම් ඒ වගේ stage එකකදී අපිට branching කියන concept එක වැදගත් වෙනවා group work කරන්න, right? මම ඉස්සරහට ඔයාලට explain කරන්න කොහොමද මේ branchings අපි use කරන්නේ කියලා. So yeah, now අපිට demo time එක තමයි අපි ඇවිල්ලා ඉන්නේ. So in the demo time we discuss A to Z process work within the Git and the GitHub, right? Guys, you have to move this particular repository. So I'll give a few minutes. So guys, in the repo, in the documents, you can find this repositories link as well. So here you can see. Let me highlight this one. So you can use this one. This is the demo repository. So this is not the link. Let me share a link. Right. So this is the correct link. You can use this link, right? So yeah. So let me share the link as well. Right. Okay. So right. Right. So once you reach this link, so what we have to do, the first question. So I'm waiting for you guys. So I'll give the 1 minute for come this link. So it is very easy. You can move to these documents and scroll down under resource sections. You can see GitHub for beginners repository link, right? Then what you have to do? Then you can click this link and move to this place, right? So yeah, let's see how many people in the repository. So once you have come this place, so I need to invite all of students. First, start this repository. So it's support to me for make a reach for this particular repository, right? So first, once you have come this repository, first start this one, and it's support to you find very easy this repository, right? So first, start this repository. Let's see how many people in this repository. Right, I think 5 students here. So what about others? Or 6? So only 6 students. What about others? I think 8 students. Yeah. Right. I think And I'm assuming, so all of students are in here. So, right? Right. So let me start today demo, right? Okay. So when we, right, the first thing is, so what is the first thing when we try to do something within the GitHub repository, right? අපි GitHub repository එකක් එක්ක මුලින්ම වැඩ කරන්න යනකොට අපි කරන්න ඕනේ මොකක්ද? Right. So guys, මේක අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම මතක තියාගන්න ඕන දෙයක් as the students ඔයාලට තව කල් තියෙන ඉන්ඩස්ට්‍රි එකට එන්න but අපි ඉන්ඩස්ට්‍රි එකේ මාක් හරි GitHub repository එකක් එක්ක work කරන්න ගියාම first thing එක තමයි every good Git repository has the good readme file. GitHub repository එකකටම හොඳ GitHub repository එකකටම readme file එකක් තියෙනවා. මේ readme file එකේ A to Z guideline තියෙනවා. කොහොමද මේ repository එකත් එක්ක වැඩ කරන්නේ කියලා. Right. So first thing එක තමයි අපි GitHub repository එකක් එක්ක වැඩ කරන්න කලින් we have to refer the readme file. Right, sorry. Right. So in here, guys, so I'm scrolled down, and here, guys, you can see this is the GitHub 101, GitHub for Beginners repository. And here you can see what you will learn today. So today we are learning software repositories and clone and how to work within the branches, and again change file and staging, again push that changes to the GitHub and create a pull request, and again work within the issue and about the basic GitHub commands and GitHub workflow, right? So adu ඉගෙන ගන්න යන්නේ මෙන්න මේ දේවල් ටික, right? Again, before moving to the today repository work things, I mean demo things, you need to some prerequisites. So I've already shared a document with you guys. I think the organizers already shared the particular PDF within you. You have to install Git for your machines, I mean for your Windows or Mac laptops. And again, you have to install a Visual Studio code as well. Right. Again, here you can see instructions video, right? So අද මේ demo time එකේදී ඔයාලට මේක complete කරන්න බැරි වුණොත් ඒ කියන worry වෙන්න එපා. ඔයාලට මෙතන instructions videos තියෙනවා සිංහල and English වලින්. ඔයාලට මේ demo මේ instructions video follow up කරලා මේ repository එක complete කරන්නත් පුළුවන්, right? ඒ වුණාට try කරන්න මාත් එක්කම මේ repository එක අද complete කරන්න, right? Right. So then what we have to do? Then we have to start getting started within this repository, right? Before starting this repository, I have another request, guys. So here you can see follow button, right? So first click this one. Once you click this one, you automatically redirect to my GitHub profile, right? So here you can see I have so many followers in the GitHub. So the thing is, in my GitHub, I share a lot of learning resources, a lot of learning guides. So that's why I like to invite all of students to follow me through the GitHub. So then you can grab so many valuable learning resources through my GitHub account. So yeah, right. So once you move to this place, in this place, you can see a follow button. So you can click it and follow me, right? So I'm again move to my particular repository. So if you come this place, first follow me and then click the repositories tab, right? Click the repositories tab, and here you can see GitHub for Beginners repository. First click the repositories tab and then move to this particular GitHub for Beginners repository, right? Once you move this place, here what we have to do, how we can getting started. First step, first we have to fork this repository. First, we have to fork this repository. Guys, what is the meaning of fork? මොකක්ද මේ fork කරනවා කියලා කියන්නේ? හරි. fork කරනවා කියලා කියන්නේ GitHub එකේ තියෙන repository එක copy එකක් අපේ account එකට add කරගන්න එක. So then මේ GitHub repository එක තියෙන්නේ මගේ account එකේ Nisal Gunawardhana / GitHub for beginners කියලා ඔයාලට මෙන්න මෙතන බලා ගන්න පුළුවන්. That's mean මේ repo එක දැන් තියෙන මගේ account එකේ. But using fork option, guys, you can make a copy of this particular repository and add your own GitHub account, right? So how we can fork? Once you scroll up here, you can see a fork button. So what you have to do? First, click this one. And then, so here you can see we have to do few settings things, but the good news is all of them change you have to go within the default settings. Then you can click create a form. This one. So I'm not going to create a fork. The thing is this repository is already available in my GitHub account. So once you fork this repository, it's automatically redirect to your fork repository. Make automatically ඔයාගේ fork කරපු repository එකට move වෙනවා, right? Then what happen? So once you move the your fork repository, how we can confirm? කොහොමද අපි confirm කරගන්නේ මේක හරියට fork වුණා කියලා? So ඔයා මේක හරියට fork කරගත්තා නම් in this place you can see your GitHub username. මෙන්න මෙතන ඔයාලට බලා ගන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්නේ ඔයාගේ GitHub username එක, not my one. Here you can see Nisal Gunawardhana and then you can see GitHub for beginners one, but මේක හරියට fork කරගත්තා නම් මෙතන ඔයාලට බලා ගන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්නේ ඔයාගේ username එක, not my one, right? And again in this place you can see blue color link within the some text. Here you can see fork from, then blue color link for my repository, right? So I think all make හරියටම fork කරගන්න ඇති. I think students ලා 10ක් වගේ මේක fork කරගෙන තියෙනවා. So other guys, you can try out this one. So it's very simple. You can click this button. ඔයාලට බලන්න මේ button එක click කරන්න. Then create a fork. මෙන්න මේ create fork කියන button එක click කරන්න. එතකොට automatically fork එක create වෙලා ඔයාගේ fork කරපු GitHub repository එකට. Right. ඒ repository එකට ආවට පස්සේ කොහොමද අපි confirm කරගන්නේ හරියට මේක fork වුණා කියලා? මෙතන ඔයාගේ GitHub username එක බලා ගන්න පුළුවන්. Not my one. And මෙතන ඔයාලට blue color link එකක් බලා ගන්න පුළුවන් for original repository. Hi. So the first step. අපි first step එක successfully done කරා. Then we have to clone the particular repository, right? Before clone this one, here you can see best practices advice. So what we have to do, create a folder called workshop in your desktop. So right now I have to create a workshop folder. Just I move to my desktop and I create a folder called workshop. Let me rename. Right. So this is the folder I already created one, right? So right, workshop. Then what we have to do? Then we have to open terminal or command line from that folder. අපි දැන් මේ folder එකේ අපේ terminal එක හරි command prompt එක හරි open කරන්න ඕන. Mac එකේදී නම් අපි command line prompt එකට terminal එක කියලා කියනවා. ඒ වගේම Windows වලදී නම් terminal එකට අපි command line prompt එක කියලා කියනවා. Right. හරි. Then how we can open this one? So in the Mac, I can use these steps. I right click this one and here you can see a new terminal at folder. So මං ඒ ෆෝල්ඩර් එකෙන් ටර්මිනල් එකක් ඕපන් කරාට පස්සේ මට ටර්මිනල් එක මෙන්න මේ වගේ බලා ගන්න පුළුවන්. And right then මට බලා ගන්න පුළුවන් මගේ root directory එක විදිහට workshops කියලා මෙතන add වෙලා තියෙනවා. මම workshop folder එකෙන් තමයි මේක open කරලා තියෙන්නේ. Right. So I think most of students are using Windows laptop. So let's see how to do these things in the Windows. මෙන්න මෙතන ඔයාලට බලා ගන්න පුළුවන් වෙනම instruction link එකක් තියෙනවා for Windows users. Right. මුලින්ම Windows users ලා යන්න ඕනේ යාළගේ desktop එකට ගිහිල්ලා workshops කියලා folder එකක් create කරන්න ඕනේ. Then ආපහු එන්න GitHub repository එකට. ඊට පස්සේ මෙන්න මෙතන තියෙනවා Windows command prompt setup guideline එක. First click this one. Right. So then ඔයා මෙන්න මේ විදිහට මේ instruction document එක ආවට පස්සේ මෙන්න මෙතන බලා ගන්න පුළුවන් instruction ටික. හරි. මම quickly explain කරන්න කොහොමද මේක කරන්න කියලා. මුලින්ම මේ විදිහට folder එකක් create කරගත්තට පස්සේ Windows වගේ PC එකේ මුලින්ම Windows folder එක open කරන්න. open කරාට පස්සේ අපිට මෙන්න මේ විදිහට location එක බලා ගන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ location එක තියෙන තැනට යන්න සම්පූර්ණ location එක select කරලා ඒක remove කරන්න. ඊට පස්සේ cmd කියලා type කරලා enter එක press කරන්න. Then automatically Windows PCs වල ඔයාගේ command prompt එක open වෙනවා. A particular folder එකේ. Right. Then මං හපෝ back වෙනවා මගේ repository එකටම මෙන්න මෙතනින් ඔයාලට back වෙන්න පුළුවන්. Right. හරි. ඔයා දැන් work කරන්න ඕන ඔයාගේ fork කරගත්ත repository එකත් එක්ක. Right. හරි. මේ විදිහට back වුණාට පස්සේ then what we have to do? Then we can create a clone. Clone mean මොකද්ද clone කරනවා කියලා කියන්නේ? Clone mean අපේ තියෙන remote repository එකේ copy එක add කරගන්නවා අපේ local repository එකට. So for that particular task we call a clone, right? So how we can do this? For that we can use git clone command, right? Then I move to my terminal and I move to my terminal and then so here I'm at command git clone. Then I have to add a particular URL of my repository. So in your case, what you have to do? In your case, you have to your clone repository URL. How we can get that particular URL? So you can scroll up. Here you can see a code button, green color button. You can click it and you can click the HTTPS button, and in this place you can copy your particular repository URL. Right. I'm just copied it. So the special thing is you have to clone. අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම clone කරගන්න ඕනේ guys. ඔයාලා fork කරගත්තු repository එක, not my one. So කොහොමද ඒක confirm කරගන්නේ? මෙන්න මෙතන code button එක click කරලා https tab එකට ගිහිල්ලා අපේ repository එකේ URL එක copy කරගන්න යනකොට මෙන්න මේ place එකේ අපිට බලා ගන්න පුළුවන් අපේ username එක. So in my case here I can see Nisal Gunawardhana, but ඔයාලගේ URL එකේ මෙතන Nisal Gunawardhana කියලා තියෙන්න බෑ. අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම fork කරගත්තු repository එකේදී ඔයාගේ username එක තමයි මෙතන පෙන්වන්න ඕනේ. හරි. Then මම මේක copy කරගන්නවා and then I move to my terminal and paste that particular URL. And then what I have to do? Then I have to press enter. Right. Guys, ඔයාලා මේ වෙනකොට git install කරලා නැත්නම් PC එකට මේ process එකේදී ඔයාලා error එකක් එක්ක තමයි කියන්නේ error එකක් එක්ක ඉර වෙනවා. So මේ process එකට යන කලින් අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම git install කරන්න ඕනේ. මම හිතනවා already organizing team එක ඔයාලත් එක්ක prerequisite document එක share කරගෙන ඇති. ඉතින් මේ prerequisite document එක refer කරලා ඔයාලට බලන්න git install කරගන්න ඔයාලගේ PC එකට. Right. So it's take a few time to clone, right? Yep. Right. Right. So here you can see the clone is done. So once clone, then I can move to desktop and open the workshop folder. Once I open the workshop folder, here you can see it's successfully cloned. You can, if if you are successfully completed the clone steps, here you can see GitHub for beginners repository copy, right? So yeah, once you clone this one, then what we have to do? Then again, I move to my GitHub repository, and then what I have to do? Then here we can see, then I have to navigate project directory, right? So in this case, I'm using a Linux command called cd. So this is the Linux command, and I move to my particular directory, right? Then once I apply this command, guys, ඔයාලට බලා ගන්න පුළුවන් මෙතන අපි කලින් හිටිය workshops directory එකේ, but දැන් අපි ඉන්නේ GitHub for beginners directory එකේ, right? Then what we have to do? Then we have to open this particular repository via VS Code. For that, we can use code space dot command, right? Windows PC එක නම් මෙන්න මේ command එක අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම work කරනවා. But Mac laptop එකක් එහෙම නැත්නම් Macintosh එකක් නේ use කරන්නේ, Mac එකක් නේ use කරන්නේ. මේ command එක work කරන්නේ නැහැ. මේක ඔයාලා setup කරගන්න ඕනේ VS Code එක through. හරි. මේ විදිහට setup කරන guideline එකත් ඔයාලට මෙන්න මෙතන බලා ගන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ වගේම prerequisites document එකෙත් මම මේක apply කරලා තියෙනවා කොහොමද මේ code command එක setup කරගන්නේ කියලා. Mac laptop use කරන අයට Windows අයට මේකේ log ගැටලුවක් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. මේක by default Windows වලදී වැඩ කරනවා. හරි. Then මම මෙන්න මේ command එක apply කරලා present එකක් දෙනවා. Then what happens? Then it's automatically redirect to our VS Code. And yeah, right. Guys, now you can see our project is open through the VS Code, right? Then we don't need the terminal. Then I close it, and then I move to my repository, right? Now we already completed step 1 and step 2. Then what we have to do? Then we have to apply branches practices, right? Now we are in the main branch. So how we can confirm it, right? Once you move to the VS Code, here you can see icon, right? So in this place, you can see main one. So that's mean we are in the main branch, right? So that's mean we are in the main branch, right? And now we have to create a separate branch for our works. So for that, we can use two type of commands, right? අපිට මේකට commands වර්ග දෙකක් use කරන්න පුළුවන්. පළවෙනි එක තමයි අපිට git checkout -b මෙන්න මේ command එකත් එක්ක automatically branch එක create වෙලා ඒ branch එකට redirect කරන්නත් පුළුවන්. එහෙම නැත්නම් අපිට git branch කියන command එක use කරලා branch එක create කරගෙන git checkout කියන command එක use කරලා ඒ branch එකට move වෙන්න පුළුවන්. right? So මම මෙන්න මේ command එක use කරනවා. So මට මේක copy කරගන්න පුළුවන්. Then what I have to do? Then I can move to VS Code, and then I need to open terminal through the VS Code. Then මට ඕනේ මගේ terminal එක VS Code එකේ තියෙන terminal එක open කරගන්න. So how I can do this? In the top toolbar, you can see terminal button. I can click it and click the new terminal. Right. මේ ඔප්ෂන් එක සමහර වෙලාවට Windows laptops වලදී ඔයාලට පෙන්වන්න නැති වෙන්න පුළුවන්. ඔයාලට මෙන්න මෙතන toolbar එකේ tools කීපයක් පෙන්නලා ඊට පස්සේ dot 3ක් තමයි පෙන්වන්නේ. Then click ඔයාලට පුළුවන් ඒ dot 3 click කරන්න. Then you can see terminal option and new terminal. Right. Once I click this one, here I can see my terminal is open through the VS Code, right? Then I have to copy this command and move to the terminal and paste it, right? Once I paste it, then what I have to do? Here you can see I have to add my name, right? That means you have to add your name. Right. I'm going to name add karana guys. So mama make a clear karna, then mama gonna add karna. Nisal Gunawardhana. Then what you have to do? You have to add your name and then press enter. Then press enter. So once we press enter, here we can see switch to new branch. How we can confirm? So here we can see it's automatically redirect to our particular branch. And once we move to this place, here you can see a cloud icon. A cloud icon. So what is the meaning of that particular cloud icon? The meaning of particular cloud icon, that's mean our newly created branch is not published. We have to publish it. For that, what we have to do? We can click this button. Then we can see a syncing icon, and then our branch is successfully added to the Git. So I just move to my particular repository, and here we can see only one branch. So I'm not refresh this one. So here we can see one branch. So once I refresh, what happened? Once I refresh, then what happened? So let's see. Here we can see two branches. So once I get this drop down, here we can see my newly created branch, right? So I'm again scroll down and yeah. So once I create branch, that's mean I successfully complete the exercise one. Then what I have to do? Then I have to make changes, right? In the exercise 2, I have to make changes in the which place? Students introduction.md file, right? So I am moved to the my VS codes. Let me zoom out, and in this place, here we can see students introduction md file, right? Then I click this one. Right. Once I click here, you can see welcome to GitHub Learning Community. Please add your introduction below following the templates. Right. Here you can see example, and again here you can see add your introduction below this slide. Right. Then what I have to do? I have to add my introduction to below this slide. So I can replace these things within my particular detail. So in this place, I can add my name, and then I can add my GitHub username, Nisal Gunawardhana, and my location is Carduella, and background is a software engineer, and learning goals is GitHub. If you need, you can add a fun fact in this place. I just add blah blah, and in this place you can add today date. Today is the 20, I think 21 of March 26, right? Then what happened? Then, guys, in this place, you can see this files is highlighted in yellow color, and this place you can see icon, the M letter. So what is that meaning? So if you are not save these files, guys, you cannot see this icon. So first, once you edit this one, you can use Control S and save this particular file. So in my case, it's automatically saved. So that's why I don't need to save this one, right? Once you have saved this file, in this place, you can see a letter, M letter. So I mean, in this place, right? You can see M. What is this meaning? That meaning is this file is the modified file. This file is the modified file, right? Good. So now I modified this file. Then what I have to do? So then I need to add this particular change for my local PCs. Local PC, local repository. Before that, what I have to do? Just I am modified. Then what I have to do? So I need to answer for this particular questions. Once modified, then what I have to do? අපි modify කරාට පස්සේ අපිට මොකද්ද ඊළඟට කරන්න තියෙන ස්ටෙප් එක. ඒ කියන්නේ modify කරපු ෆයිල් එකකට මේ modify කරපු ෆයිල් එක අපි local repository එකට දාන්න කලින් ඊළඟට අපිට කරන්න තියෙන ස්ටෙප් එක මොකද්ද? Right guys? I need to answer quickly. I'm waiting. Guys, not push. I just only modify. Right. Got the answer. Yes. Add, git add. So once I modified, then what I have to do? Then I have to staging. For staging, we are using git add command, right? So here we can see git add command. So we can use git add command in several ways. So the first one is if you need to add a particular file, if අපිට ඕනේ එක particular file change එකක් විතරක් add කරන්න නම් අපිට git add space එකත් එක්ක ඒ file එකේ name එක use කරන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙම නැතුව අපිට අපි කරපු whole changes හිතන්න අපේ code level එකේ අපි මේ වෙනකොට changes කරලා තියෙනවා files වල files 10ක විතර changes කරලා තියෙනවා කියලා. So then all changes ටික අපිට staging කරන්න ඕන නම් in case we can use git space add space dot command, right? Guys, here you can see another command called git status. So using this git status command, we can find status of our changes, right? I'm just copied this command and then I move to my VS Code and paste it and press enter, right? Once press enter, here we can see on features labs Nisal Gunawardhana, the particular branch. And again, here we can see changes not staged for commit, right? So we already know we have only modified file, not staged one, right? Here we can see guideline for the staging as well. Using git add, we have to stage, or using git restore, we can discard change from the working directory, right? Now what I have to do? I have to stage these changes. For that, I'm using git add command, right? I'm just copied this one and then move to my VS Code and paste it and press enter. Once I press enter, guys, what happened? Once I press enter, so that particular file is staging, right? How we can confirm is whether it's staging or not. So we can move to again my repository and copy this particular command and move to VS Code and paste it and press enter. Once I press enter, here we can see changes to be commit. So in the last time, we can see changes not stage. So here we can see changes to be commit. That means files is already staged. So if you need to unstage, you can use this command as well. Here you can see clear guideline. When you are using Git status command, you can see a proper guideline for next steps, right? So here we can see modified file is staged. Then what I have to do? Then I have to commit it, right? For that, I'm using this command. So in the presentation slide, guys, you only see git commit command. But here you can see some kind of different commands within the -m. So why we use -m in this place? So yeah, in this place, you can see we are using -m. So why we need to use this one? So this one we are using for adding the particular comments for a particular comments, right? So අපි -m එකත් එක්ක git commit space -m එක use කරනවා ඒ දාන commit එකට මේ commit එකේ අපි මොනවද කරලා තියෙන change එක කියලා particular comment එකක් add කරන්න. As the best practices අපි හැම comment එකකදීම proper commit එකක් කමෙන්ට් එකක් ඇඩ් කරනවා අපි මේ කමිට් එකේදී මෙන්න මේ changes ටික තමයි කරලා තියෙන්නේ කියලා. As the good developer, we have to do this, right? So here you can see add introduction for your name. So I clear the your name part and add my name. And then what I have to do? Then press enter. Once press enter, here you can see මෙතන තිබ්බ highlight වෙච්ච එක ඒ වගේම modified එක මේ ඔක්කොම ටික අතුරුදහන් වෙලා ගියා. Then අපේ commit එක successfully add වුණා. Right. Then අපි commit එක කරලා ඉවරයි. That's mean our changes add to our local repository. Then what I have to do? I need to answer, right? Then what I have to do? Once committed, then what we have to do? Guys, I need to answer. Right. Then we have to push our changes. Yes. Then we have to push our changes. So for that, here you can see a proper introduction for push. Right. Again, so if you are a right. Before push මෙන්න මේ රේක ඔයාලට අවදි කියලා බලන්න. right. සාමාන්‍යයෙන් GitHub and Git එක first time වැඩ කරන Windows user කෙනෙක්ට මෙන්න මේ වගේ error එකක් එන්න පුළුවන්. right. මෙන්න මේ විදිහේ error එකක් ආවා නම් මේ error එක sort out කරන විදිය ඔයාලට මෙන්න මෙතන ඊකට මේ error එකක් commit කරන්න යනකොට ඔයාලට මේ error එක එන්න පුළුවන් as the first GitHub experience Git user පාඩ මෙන්න මේක first time use කරන්න යනවා නම් මෙන්න මේ error එක එන්න පුළුවන්. මෙන්න මෙතන පාඩ බලා ගන්න පුළුවන්. මෙන්න මේ වගේ error එකක් આવොත් ඒක sort out කරන විදිය මෙන්න මේ troubleshooting document එකේ තියෙනවා. guys පාඩ කරන්න තියෙන්නේ මෙන්න මේ command එක use කරන්න git config global user.email කියන එකට ඔයාගේ GitHub එකේ තියෙන email එක මෙන්න මෙතනට add කරන්න. add කරලා මෙන්න මේ command එක දෙන්න. then commit command එක use කරන්න මෙන්න මේ problem එක ඔයාලට sort out කරගන්න පුළුවන්. right. I'm again back to my readme file and then අපිට මොකද කරන්න තියෙන්නේ? then අපිට තියෙන්නේ අපේ changes ටික push කරන්න. For that I can use git push origin and branch name, or we can use just git push in short way. I'm just copied only git push and move to my VS Code and press enter. Right then, our particular changes add to our feature branch. Right. So well done, guys. Now we are completed the exercise for as well. Then what you have to do? Then we have to create a pull request. Right. Once you add these changes and then scroll up in your fork repository, here we can see a yellow color banner, right? So that's mean our push is successfully. So sometime this banner is not visible for some users. Don't worry, guys. So if if you can see this banner, you can click this button and move to that particular interface for creating pull request. If not, you can see here pull request one, pull request tabs, and then you can click a new pull request. So if you can see this one, you can create a compare and pull request. Right. Once you move this place, what do you have to do? So you have to uh, add a particular branch for this place. In my case, I can see only this one. But guys, in your repository, in your case, I know it has some confusion things, right? You can see this kind of menu, right? So here you can see clear guideline how we can create a pull request in clear way, right? අපිට මුලින්ම කරන්න තියෙන්නේ මෙන්න මේ විදිහට create a pull request කියන tab එකට ගියාට පස්සේ මුලින් මේ option එකට ගියාට පස්සේ ඔයාලා මෙන්න මේ වගේ confusion ගොඩක් එක්ක pull request mapping එක බලා ගන්න පුළුවන්. හරි. කොහොමද මේක clear කරගන්නේ? right. මුලින්ම මෙන්න මේ base repository කියන එකට යන්න ඕනේ. ගියාට පස්සේ මේ විදිය drop down එකක් ඒවි. ඒ drop down එකත් එක්ක මෙන්න මෙතන ඔයාලට මුලින්ම බලා ගන්න පුළුවන් නිසල් ගුණවර්ධන / කියලා ඊට පස්සේ මෙන්න මේ repository එකේ name එක I just move to image back right හරි මෙන්න මේ විදිහට බලා ගන්න පුළුවන් මෙන්න මෙතනින් ඔයා select කරගන්න ඕනේ ඔයාගේ repository එක not others one you have to select your repositories then what happen then මෙන්න මෙතන තිබුණු two tabs අයින් වෙලා එක tab එකකට කියන්නේ base main එක විතරක් වාඩ පෙන්නාවි මෙන්න මේ විදිහට then මෙන්න මේ place එකෙන් ඔයා select කරගන්න ඕනේ ඔයාගේ branch එක ඒ කියන්නේ අපි අර create කරපු feature branch එක right once you select that particular feature branch then what we have to do then we can create a pull request make කරන විදිය පෙන්නන්න right in this place we can see compare and pull request I'm just click it and then move to this particular place and this is already done if in your case you have to make this in correct way and then you can create a pull request right මේ විදිහට pull request එක create කරාට පස්සේ then what we have to do then we have to copy this pull request URL right so මම මේ විදිහට pull request එක create කරාට පස්සේ මම යන්නේ මෙන්න මේක copy කරගන්න මෙන්න මේ විදිහට අපිට URL bar එකෙන් අපේ particular pull request එකේ URL එක copy කරගන්න පුළුවන් then මේ විදිහට copy කරගෙන මම ආපහු back වෙනවා මගේ pod file එකට කියන මගේ readme එකට and මම මේක scroll down කරනවා මෙන්න මේ pull request කියන exercise 5 එකත් අපි දැන් complete කරලා ඉවරයි then what I have to do then I have to submit this one here we can see clear submission guideline and first what we have to do? First, you have to move main repository. Then කරන්න ඕනේ මුලින්ම main repository කියලා කියන්නේ මගේ repository එකට move වෙන්න ඕනේ. හරි. මේක කරන්න ලේසියෙන් විදිය මම කියන්නම්. fork කරපු repository එකේ නම් දැන් ඉන්නේ. මෙන්න මේ විදියට scroll up කරාට පස්සේ මෙන්න මෙතන බලා ගන්න පුළුවන් fork from කියලා මගේ repository එකට URL එක. එහෙම නැත්නම් ඔයාගේ Google Doc එකට යන්න. Google Doc එකේ මෙන්න මෙතනින් හරිම repository link එකට move වෙන්න. හරි. ඒ විදියට move වුණාට පස්සේ මොකද කරන්න තියෙන්නේ? ඒ විදියට move වුණාට පස්සේ අපිට තියෙන්නේ then අපිට තියෙන්නේ create a issue. අපිට තියෙන්නේ issue එකක් create කරන්න the special thing එක තමයි මෙතනදී අපි submission කියන template එක use කරලා තමයි issue එක create කරන්න ඕනේ. හරි. මම මේ විදිහට scroll up කරනවා. මෙන්න මෙතන අපිට බලා ගන්න පුළුවන් issue tab එක. මෙන්න මේ විදිහට තමයි issue එකක් අපි create කරන්නේ. මෙන්න මෙතන අපිට බලා ගන්න පුළුවන් issue tab එක. Just click it. Then here you can see a new issue. And here you can see submission template. This one, right? Just click it. And once you come to this place, you have to fill out this form. Here you can add your name within submission tag. I'm just adding Nisal, Gunawardhana. And then in this place, you can add your name. Add Nisal, Gunawardhana. Then I have to add my email. I'm just add my contact mail. .com. Then guys, if you are creating a LinkedIn post in this session time, you can add the LinkedIn post and Twitter post in this place as well. If not, you can ignore this step. These things are the optional. And in this place, you can add your university or your school, right? So in my case, my university is Slate, so I add this one. So in your case, you can add your school in this place. It's maybe school or university. It's maybe University of Sri Jayawardena. It's maybe the college. Anyway, you can add your school or university in this place. And in this place, you have to paste already copied pull request link, right? Then you have to add the tick for this checklist. Then for me is I think all good. Then I have to create an issue. Once you create this issue, it's automatically assigned from myself. And also here you can see it's pending and your submission is successfully added. Here you can see your submission tracking issue created. Your batch submission is being tracked and it's pending review and assigned to Nisal Gunawardhana, and it's take to 2 to 5 days for reviewing. Right. Once you create the issue, then what happened? Then I reviewed your works, and if it is correct, then I issued a digital badge for you guys. That's the process. So I just move to all submission. So I just open last submissions, and here you can see the submission is successfully added, and I'm just previewing this one, and I decide to grant the badge. So once I add this issue as the completed, so here you can see your digital badge is automatically added in this place, and you can download and you can share these things in your LinkedIn and in your social media as well. Right. So that's the demo process. So once you are done those things, you can make this submissions. And this time, guys, maybe you have some kind of issues creating submissions or completing these things. But don't worry, guys. In here, you can see instructions videos. You can follow these videos and you can complete this particular repository and you can grab the digital badge as well. Okay, so now again, I move to my presentation. Yeah. So well done, guys. You are successfully completed today's demo part. I think in this time, සමහර වෙලාවට ඔයාලට මේ time එකේ මේක complete කරගන්න බැරි වෙන්න ඇති. But guys, ඔයාලට පුළුවන් මේක ගෙදරදී අර videos ටික instructions videos ටික refer කරලා මේක complete කරන්න. Right. So then, so I have to explain the industrial process. So let's see in the industry how we can use Git and the GitHub for our development, right? So basically, අපි ඉන්ඩස්ට්‍රි එකේ work කරනකොට අපේ main branch එක අපි එතන branching concept එක ගැන කතා කරා and branching create කරන idea ගැන කතා කරා. Basically industry stand එකට අපි normally අපේ main branch එක use කරනවා අපේ production development වලට ඒ වගේම තවත් development branch එකක් use කරනවා staging වලට ඒ වගේම මේ development branch එකේදී අපි කලින් කතා වුණා තවත් branches use කරනවා අපේ එක එක features group එකක් විදිහට වැඩ කරනකොට group එකේදී work කරන අයගේ ඒ කියන්නේ group එකේ ඉන්න අයගේ එක එක works වෙනම separate කරන්න features separate develop කරන්න අපි use කරන feature branches then අපිට පුළුවන් මේ feature branches කියන්නේ branches features wise කරන්න සහ again we can use අපිට පුළුවන් group ඉන්න members wise branches කරන්න but best practice එක තමයි අපි features විදියට branches define කරගන්න එක. හරි. ඔය විදිහට අපිට මේ flow එක use කරන්න පුළුවන් GitHub use කරනකොට සහ අපි industry එකේදී use කරන්නේ මෙන්න මේ වගේ flow එක. So yeah, again you can grab this particular opportunity. So I think this link already available in your document as well. So in this place you can see the particular link. So I'm just going and yeah. So again, so I have another invitation for all of the students. So that invitation is follow me through the LinkedIn. So in my LinkedIn, I share a lot of valuable resources with you guys. It's maybe students' opportunities. It's maybe about session things. It's maybe about developing things. Yeah, I share a lot of valuable resources through my LinkedIn. And now it is 17K plus followers in my LinkedIn. And also you can join with me through the LinkedIn. So if you have any questions regarding today's sessions or student programs things, you can follow me through the LinkedIn and just add the message, right? So that's why I invite to all of the students, follow me through the LinkedIn. So here, you can see my all social media links. You can follow me through the my social medias, right? So yeah, right. So again, right. So now today we are in the end of my sessions, and I think guys you get more valuable things and you learn a lot about the Git and the GitHub. So anyway, if you have any questions, you can ask me using I think using Zoom chat as well. So yeah, so I'll give the few minutes. You can ask any questions. If you have any questions, you can ask from me, guys. Any question, guys? No? So yeah, I think students haven't any question. So then, uh, yeah. So again, thank you very much for participating today my sessions. And yeah, now over to you, organization committee. Yep. Malay.
Yes, Nisal, yes. So thank you for your wonderful session. Uh, we got a lot of insights regarding Git and GitHub. Uh, so we shared an e-certification link. So I hope everyone filled the names for that. So Nisal, you can send the e-certifications as well, right?
Yeah. So guys, please fill out that form. Then I can share your certificates. It's from Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador Program. So it's most valuable certificates. You can grab it. So just fill out the certification form as well.
Okay, Nisal. So thank you so much. Thank you for the audience as well for engaging and having such a good engagement throughout the session. And yes, we can end the session now. Thank you.